Belt and Road Initiative. The Belt and Road Initiative (BRI) is a global development strategy adopted by the Chinese government involving infrastructure development and investment in 152 countries. The Belt and Road is the single biggest trade agreement in the world. 6 years after its inception in 2013, BRI has become a major global force. China portrays BRI as an effort to expand regional connectivity by building infrastructure, creating digital linkages, and facilitating trade flows. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) is a major Belt and Road initiative. CPEC is a collection of infrastructure projects that are currently under construction throughout Pakistan of worth $62 billion. CPEC is intended to rapidly modernize Pakistani infrastructure and strengthen its economy by the construction of modern transportation networks, numerous energy projects, and special economic zones.